To create a report with Who Last Changed criteria, the easiest way is to create custom report. Go to Reports, Case Summary, Add/Edit Form Link. Name the report, example, Who Last Changed. Select the spreadsheet option. Click on Yes, include filed names in Output. Then click on Fields. Expand the plus case summary table. Select the fields. To add the fields to the report, just click twice on the field you want to add on the report. Example, case number, date, last changed, who last changed. Click on Save and Exit. Now, to run the report, you may access from the report completely and go back in. Reports, Case Summary. Select Spreadsheet. Select the report, Who Last Changed. Click on Enter Criteria. In Criteria, Selection 1. Expand the table with available fields. Scroll down to the last one named Case Sum, Who Last Changed, and enter the CTS user ID. Once the search criteria are done, click OK and click on Send Data.